Hello and welcome to Purdy Contracts. I would like to welcome you to our presentation. We are very pleased to be part of this 4-year heating installation, servicing and maintenance framework for Eastern Procurement Limited. Purdy Contracts is an award-winning electrical, heating and building services contractor. We were acquired by the Bilby Group plc in 2015 and are one of 4 construction-based companies within Bilby's portfolio: Spoke Mead, DCB Kent and R. Dunhams. Purdy is an established property services business focused on the installation and maintenance of gas heating systems, electrical services, boiler servicing, plumbing, drainage and general building repairs. Its customer base is almost entirely local authorities and housing associations, all within London and South East England. Our turnover is circa 30 million. Our management team is led by John Lord, Managing Director, who started with the company as an electrician 26 years ago and has worked his way up through the ranks. Dennis Pickett, our Operations Director, has worked for Purdy for over 30 years, again starting as an engineer and progressing to becoming Operational Director. Chris Barrell is the elected Contract Manager for this contract, supported by a fully qualified supervisor and engineers. Here at Purdy Contracts, we believe in setting the standards in mechanical and electrical installation, maintenance and building services to local authority and housing associations across eastern and southeastern England. Our head office is based in Waltham Abbey with regional offices in Romford and Hackney. Purdy Contracts Limited have 180 directly employed engineers and would resource this contract from this pool, giving us the ability to move engineers from contract to contract to deal with the peaks and troughs of work streams clients provide. This contract would operate out of our head office, where we have a dedicated team including front office call handlers and dedicated contract administrators being led by the management team. Our head office also includes a stores facility to ensure continuous supply of material and training facilities, providing direct support to all our regional teams. One of Purdy's biggest drivers is on any new contract that we secure, we look to ensure that labour and materials are sourced locally and sustainably. As previously mentioned, Purdy are very experienced working alongside local authorities and housing associations. Our award-winning AccuServe IT system assists in monitoring workloads and providing contract-specific reports. Good customer service is embedded into our workforce with regular training undertaken. Purdy look to invest in all our staff. All our managers, supervisors are SMSTS, SSSTS accredited. Engineers hold the appropriate gas safe NIC, EIC accreditation and carry the appropriate CSCS, ECS cards. We ensure our engineers' training is up to date through regular best practice meetings, site-specific training and notifications, as well as on-site toolbox talks. We also conduct regular in-house training programs for all of our employees, which cover safeguarding vulnerable residents, general health and safety, asbestos awareness, environmental awareness, working at height, manual handling, PASMA, equality and diversity, mental health, customer care and in-house systems training, to name a few. Purdy Contract have their own in-house apprenticeship and training programme, Purdy Futures. Purdy Futures team up with schools to raise awareness of careers in the industry. We complete a number of engagement sessions with local schools and colleges, introducing young people to the industry and its benefits. The programme works with schools and colleges to raise awareness of careers in the industry, offering over 20 work experience placements and 8 to 10 apprenticeships a year. Our company operates an integrated management system. These are ISO 9001 Quality Management, 14001 Environmental and 45001 Health and Safety. We also maintain SIP accreditation, which includes Construction Line Gold, CHAS Premium and Safe Contractor. We operate a fully liveried fleet of over 120 vehicles under the FORS Bronze accreditation. This assists us in reducing our environmental impact by understanding good fuel management and encouraging our operatives to drive smarter. The entire fleet is tracked, and this assists in cutting down response times and sending the nearest engineer to any job, which in turn reduces traffic and emissions. One of our initiatives going forward is we aim to replace all of our vehicles with electric by 2025. All our teams of engineers have a PDA which is linked directly to our business management system AccuServe. This in turn allows the engineers to work remotely with lower traffic impact. Live information including a detailed job timeline, before and after photographs and resident signatures, and is collected and available for a review immediately. We actively work with local charities and support many charity days within the company. We are currently part of a drive to support Teens Unite, a youth cancer charity that provides care for children and young people with cancer. Some of our staff members recently took part in Land's End to John O'Groats 980-mile cycle ride, raising over £40,000. Purdy is dedicated to social values, offering apprenticeships to local residents within the boroughs where we have clients. We also support local businesses and trades in these areas, bringing revenue to the local area. Having worked on similar contracts with similar goals for over 30 years, we have extensive experience of engaging with local people facing long-term unemployment. When working on a similar Homes for Haringey contract, we supported the client's 2020 project, helping the long-term unemployed into work by providing mentoring and training sessions. Peabody is another of our existing clients, and we support their Peabody Trust Foundation, offering support to the homeless and other schemes. One of these schemes is the Hayden Miles Foundation, offering mentoring to fatherless young boys. Purdy are proud of Ben Hollis, the manager for this contract, who has become a mentor for this project. As outlined on this slide, our current clients within Eastern Procurement are Aldwick, Hightown and Estuary Housing Association. However, we also have a strong workforce serving a number of other key clients within London, Herts, Essex, Beds and Suffolk. With this geographical presence, we see this as a great opportunity to maximise the potential for all stakeholders and reach out to all Eastern Procurement members. We very much look forward to developing relationships through this new framework and working closely with all Eastern Procurement clients. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation.